Hi guys, in this video I'm going to give you a step-by-step tutorial on how to create a converting pop-up in Klaviyo, and I'm saying like 5 to 12% conversion rate of your website traffic. So if you get like 10,000 people on your site, this is roughly like 500 to 1,000 people signing up to either your newsletter for emails or your SMS for phone numbers. My name is Matthias. I run an email marketing agency, and in 2023 I've made brands over 500,000 just through emails and SMS. So if you do want to work with me, just click below, but let's get into the tutorial. First, we're going to create the mobile, the desktop one. So just click on this one, multi-step email and SMS, that looks like this. Click the newsletter, and then for subscribers, click SMS marketing. So for the email subscriber list, click newsletter, and then SMS, click SMS, and then I'm gonna name it test desktop, and you could put whatever you want and then desktop, just so you know it's the desktop version. And why we want to make it one for desktop, one for mobile, is because each one is different, and to fully design it the way we want it, we have to separate it. But yeah, go to targeting and behavior, click on show based on rules, and click on show after 5 seconds. You don't want them to just go on the site and then boom, you get the pop-up. Make them wait 5 seconds, they're scrolling, looking at products, and boom, then they get the pop-up. Because then it's just an automatic 10% off. Next, do show on, go to devices, show on, and only click desktop, and then you're done. That's all you need to do. And then for styles, click on, I like doing it on the left side, but you can do whatever you want. Here, just click just click delete until the last letter, because if it doesn't, then it automatically sends it to a different font. And then just put unlock 10% off. I recommend doing 10% off, or if you want, you can do $10 off, 15% off, whatever you think is best for your brand, but your order. Yeah, there you go. Now you just make this one, let's just do it like 75, and then the whole thing highlighted and make it black. And then just delete this, because nobody really wants this. And then for SMS, nobody really wants this one. And then do the same thing here, just delete until the last letter, and then click unlock 10% off your order. And this one was at how big? This was at 75. Okay. So make this, I'm gonna just make it like 65, highlight it all, make it black, and then what I like to do is just put this right here, and then just delete this, because you don't need that. They can just click X. They don't need two ways to click X. And then here you scroll down, and then you go to width and click stretch to width. And then go to go down to button text and then type in, you can just put unlock now. And then boom, make sure this button goes to SMS marketing and this button goes to your newsletter or your email marketing. And you're basically done. And all you really need to do is right here, just put check your email for 10% off for your boom. And then here, and then for the image, all you really need to do is find a good image that you like, and then you can just use Photoshop. What? Why is it not working? I just chose this one. Boom, there you go. And then make sure to change it for all of them. Boom. And then boom. So now this is how it looks. And then you can just change this to black. And if you want, you can also add a little teaser to it. And then just put get 10% off. And then yeah. And you can just make it like a font that you like. Boom, everything looks clean. So if they're on the site, they can just click on this and then it takes them to this. And then which takes them to this, and then it takes them to this. And I will also show you how to set up the welcome flow in the next video. But all you have to do now is click publish. And basically, yeah, that's desktop. Now I'm gonna show you how to do the mobile one. So you just click create sign up form. Click the same one. And then choose newsletter, SMS subscribers. And then now click on targeting and behavior. And then go down to mobile. And now you see it automatically changes to mobile. And then here, instead of typing in the phone number, you just click this and it takes them to their messages to automatically subscribe. So that's another benefit of having two different pop-ups. First, right off the bat, let's delete this. Delete this. Delete this. And then here too. Unlock. %10 off your order. Make this like 65. Should make this shit bigger. Make it this shit like 70. And then make it all black. Boom. Same thing for SMS. Unlock 10% off your order. Boom. Boom. And then make Make sure the spacing is good. And that's basically it. Now if you want, just put a nice little background behind it. You can play around. Find, if it's black text, find an image that's light colored so it blends in well. Or you can find a dark image and then use white text. But yeah, look, I just found this image right here. You just click on styles, click on background image, and then this is the image I chose. Boom, and then click on cover. So that's how it looks. And it's not looking the way I want it to look. So all I'm gonna do is like padding. This just moves the text up and down. I'm gonna just put a lot of padding on this so the text gets a little bit higher up. Boom. And then I'm gonna make this black and also make it a little bit taller. Let's do 60. And then also this, click on input field styles, and then also make this like 60. So now both of those are the same size. Here it looks pretty good. And we're ready to roll. So once you have both of them done, oh, last thing, styles. You go to targeting behavior, show based on rules, show after 5 seconds. So you want this pop-up to show up after 5 seconds of people visiting the site. And you're good to go. This pop-up right here would get like 5 to 6% of your traffic to sign up, which is what you want. And to set up, once you set them both up, if you're having problems adding the code to your website, what you do is click on this, get this code right here, and then now go to your Shopify and click on edit code. Once you're in the code, go down to theme liquid right here. If not, you can just search it up. Theme.liquid. Click on this. Scroll all the way to the bottom. And add it right here. Just add that code right there. And boom, you're ready to go. Like right before the slash body. So just click enter and then just paste it like that. And boom. Just click save and then you're good to go. And your pop-up is integrated with Shopify. Usually it integrates on its own as you're setting up, but if it doesn't, that's how you do it. And as always, bro, you can always just click support and talk to somebody. They'll always help you out. And now lastly, the embedded form. Basically, this is a form that when you turn on your password page for a new drop, you could still collect emails and phone numbers. And then I usually just put join early access. So I'll show you how to set this up for your password page. Basically, if we look at it though, you got email, phone number, and join early access. So what you click on is create sign up form, and then right here we're going to click on embedded, and then just click this one, and let's just choose newsletter, and then I'm going to call it test password page. Boom. And then what I'm gonna do is make sure, go to padding, and then just put this at 0, because we don't want any padding. Why is it in the middle? Alright, that's fine. Actually, I don't know why I did that. Either way, look, just click on add blocks, phone number, and then just put it right there. And then move this. Fuck. Move this at the top. And then move this at the top as well. And now we could just do this at 0 padding. So you got email, phone number. Here, to make this look cleaner, click on edit. Highlight everything. Click on the 3 dots. Actually, click on this. Click on this one. So it just looks a little bit more formatted. And then I would also just click on, make it like 11 or some shit. That looks good. And then the subscribe, I could just make it like black, and then click on button text and just put sign up for our next drop or something. You can just put that Arial black. Why does it look ugly? We're just gonna do all of them look kind of ugly. We're gonna click on stretch to width, and then we're gonna we're gonna leave it at 5 for the right and left padding. So I'll put this also at 5. So now the edges have a little bit of padding, and then it looks like this. And then for the button, make sure it goes to the newsletter, and automatically the phone number is also going to subscribe when they click next. And then here, just click on the success when people actually sign up. Make this black. And then here you could just put check your email for your 10. Actually, check your email for your confirmation message plus gift or something. I don't know. You could just say plus more drop information or something. And then now once you have it all set up, what you gotta do is look at the URL, and it says klaviyo.com/form/ these numbers. Copy these numbers, then go to your Shopify, click on online store themes, and then click on customize theme, and now go to home page, go down to other, then click on password page, and then here what you gotta do is click add section, go to search up Klaviyo, or just click on apps, Klaviyo embedded form. Once you have this, it says right here embedded form ID, just paste the URL and then boom, click live, and then let's see how it shows up. Boom, there you go. And then up here you could just put like some text. Actually, I mean, you could also just put it in here, to be honest. You could just put right here, you could put sign up to get early access to our next drop. And then just make it just make it like 30, click publish changes, and now when you look at it, the password page, when you look at the password page, it's gonna look like this: sign up to get early access, and then they sign up, and then all this will just be deleted. So whenever somebody just clicks, it's just gonna have this, and then to actually go to your site, you're gonna need like a password or something. But yeah, that's how you do it.